today I have the controller charger for you for your Xbox Slim or X, so you can play a lot of games for many hours. I will show you this right now. How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. And Menina, what we got today?
Today we have the Xbox One controller charger station. You know what? It can be charged in only 4 hours, and they last at least 10 hours. It has a high-tech display screen with LED.
Now, what is good about this now? That Menina say has it looks pretty cool. So this is the LED screens is green when we don't put anything there. So we got an Xbox controller. Okay, remember this is for SM10 if you have an Xbox One Slim or X, not regular Xbox. Okay, so we're gonna put it there, and it's not full charge. So right now, see, so right now it's red. So when it's full charge, Menina say it will become blue, right?
Correct.
See, what is nice too, so we're gonna plug it in right in your Xbox through the USB. Comes with a cable, and now let's open this. Normally you will be using either rechargeable batteries, even you can put double A's here if you want. So you got the cover. This is the original cover. So what we're going to do now comes with the rechargeable batteries. So now you have two. In case you run out, you can use the old ones on the system. So now you're going to put right over there. You plug it in, and Menina, you know what? I can play 10 hours. You see me been playing 10 hours on the Xbox One? Huh?
I don't really want to see that.
What? There are people who play more than 10 hours.
There are things to do.
So, and it will charge. How long it takes to charge me? Full charge?
Actually, to me, it's only 4 hours. I see it as only because, let's say, I mean, you're not going to be charging 14 hours in a row, right?
No, you play overnight in normal charge. In the morning, you just grab and keep playing in, and then just grab your second controller, and that's perfect. Oh my gosh. Right, so looks real cool. So let's see now. So the other way around, what you have original, you have to plug it in and leave it right in the top of your TV. It looks real. So now with this charger, it looks real cool, right? So let's turn it on. See, let me see if I turn it on. See, it's already charging. So you put it right there. It looks real nice. That's it. Let's put it right there. Simple to use. You put the second one there, and like we said, we come in the box. We got the charger, we have the cable, and we have the two batteries for your remote control, and all the information that requires for you to get this charger right now to start playing with this.
To play for at least 10 hours in a row.
To play for at least 10 hours in the road is right below this video. I really like it, Menina. I really like the screen. It looks pretty cool. It quite
matches the furniture too.
It's a little different. Mine is I have another ones for my Xbox, but that's old school. That's old school now. All right, Menina. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Okay, bye.